Laziest way to make money with ChatGPT for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you the laziest ways to make money online using ChatGPT. And I will show you not just one way, but two different or three different ways that you can make money online using this platform. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first laziest way that you can do with ChatGPT to make money online is through translation. So if you go to Fiverr and search for translation, you can see here different translation services that you can do. And here, as you can see, they start at $5, $10, $15, and over here, as you can see, start at $100. I will provide a flawless English to French translation. So you can offer this kind of services as well. You just need to create a profile here inside the Fiverr, or you can also make use of the Upwork or different freelancing website and offer your translation services. So over here, you can easily translate text or writings from English to different languages. So let me just go ahead and show you some samples. So here, let's just go ahead and type here, translate this to Japanese, for example. And then just add some quotation mark and then just copy and paste the text or the article. So I have an article here that I just copy and paste online. It's about the travel. So let's just go ahead and check the information here. So yes, it's about how to work and travel at the same time. So we will be translating this article from English to Japanese and then just click send, or you can just easily click enter from your keyboard. And with that, as you can see, ChatGPT will start translating this article from English to Japanese. But just an advice, guys, when you do this kind of services, make sure that you also know how to speak or you understand these other languages. So, for example, Japanese, make sure that you know how to speak Japanese or you know how to read Japanese so that you can review the text, because ChatGPT will not provide you 100% accurate information or when it comes to translating this text. So it's better that you know how to read this so that you can understand and you can make a slight correction from this article. Because if you don't understand this and if you will just copy this one and paste it, sometimes AI will translate text in a different way that it's not sound human. So if you will send this to your client will start to wonder that you are just using a Google Translator or any other application to translate the text, and they will further investigate that and maybe they will not pay you for that. So make sure that you know how to read this language just to make sure that the translation are 100% accurate. So now let me show you the different laziest way that you can make money online. So for example, you have a website, or you can also create your own website and start to write your own blog. So with ChatGPT, you can easily create different blog that you like, and ChatGPT will help you write a blog in just less than an hour. So over here, for example, let's say that our blog is about weight loss. So over here, you will just go ahead and ask ChatGPT to provide you some ideas or topics about how to lose weight. All right. And with that, ChatGPT will give you this list of topics that you can make use of. And each of this topic, you can create different blog. So here, just go ahead and write something here. Let's say, write me a 600 words blog about the healthy diet plan. That's the first one up there. And then just click enter. And with that, as you can see, the ChatGPT will write you 600 words blog about the healthy diet plan. And you can just easily copy this one and paste it to your blog, or you can also offer copywriting services to different clients, and you can provide this information or this blog to them and they will pay you. but it's better that you also create your own website and start writing your own blog, and you can add some affiliate link or apply for affiliate marketing so that you can earn some commissions every time you sell a product or services from this affiliate link. That way you can earn more. So as you can see here, you have 10 topics. So if you have your own website, you can create 10 different blogs, and you can post all of this inside your blog. And it means that the more blog topics that you posted inside your website, the more visitors you will get. And with that, you can earn more if you have the affiliate links attached to each of these topics. So from that, you can earn more. So you can go ahead and also create a different blog for this one. So let me show you again. So just go ahead and type here, write 800 words, blog about, and then just paste the title of the topic and then just hit enter. And with that, ChatGPT will write you another blog post. So over here, you can go ahead and copy paste this one as well. And also, if you like drop shipping businesses or if you have an e-commerce business, you can also make use of this platform to write you a web content about the product that you are selling online. So for example, you are selling customized makeup. So you just go ahead and type it here. Write me a web content about my business, customize makeup. Make it professional. Just add that one because we will be using this one in our website. So it should be professional. So here, as you can see, ChatGPT will write you a web content for your business, which is customized makeup. And you can copy and paste this one and use this inside your website. So here, welcome to Customized Makeup, the premier destination for personalized and professional makeup services. We understand that every individual is unique and has their own distinct features and preferences. That's why we offer a range of makeup services customized to fit your individual needs and enhance your natural beauty. So as you can see, this is a good writing, and you can just copy and paste this one if you like to make use of this. But of course, you can also edit this if you like. So those are some of the laziest way that you can make money online. So my advice for you to make more money, it's better that you create your own website or your own e-commerce and make use of ChatGPT to write you some content. And that's better than offering a copywriting services to different clients. I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today. And thank you so much for watching.